Thrombolytic therapy is indicated in the following conditions except stroke due to cerebral thrombosis. A patient of acute myocardial infarction has been brought to the ICU. What is the time lapse since symptoms onset beyond which you will not consider instituting thrombolytic therapy? That is 16 hours. Thrombolytic therapy instituted within 3 to 6 hours of onset of acute myocardial infarction affords the following benefit: that it reduces mortality, reduces area of myocardial necrosis, preserves ventricular function. The preferred route of administration of streptokinase in acute myocardial infarction is IV. Streptokinase therapy of myocardial infarction is contraindicated in the presence of the following except ventricular extrasystoles. A patient has an episode of hematemesis following streptokinase infused for the treatment of deep vein thrombosis. Which of the following drugs would be most effective in controlling the bleeding episode? That is epsilon aminocaproic acid. Tranexamic acid is a specific antidote of fibrinolytic agent drugs. Aspirin prolongs bleeding time by inhibiting the synthesis of thromboxane A2 in platelets. Inhibition of thromboxane synthesis by aspirin in platelets lasts for 5 to 7 days because platelets cannot generate fresh thromboxane synthase and their turnover time is 5 to 7 days. The following drug increases cyclic AMP in platelets and exhibits their aggregation without altering levels of thromboxane A2 or prostacyclins. That is dipyridamole. Choose the correct statement about ticlopidine. That it prevents ADP-mediated platelet adenyl cyclase inhibition. Choose the drug which alters surface receptor on platelet membrane to inhibit aggregation, release reaction and to improve platelet survival in extracorporeal circulation. That is ticlopidine. Ticlopidine is recommended for the following except to reduce neurological sequelae of stroke. The following is true of clopidogrel except it is a GP second B or third A receptor antagonist. The following is true of apixaban except it is antigenic. Combined therapy with dipyridamole and warfarin is recommended in subjects with the following, that is prosthetic heart valves. Indications for the use of antiplatelet drugs include the following except disseminated intravascular coagulation. Choose the most potent and most efficacious LDL cholesterol lowering HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitor, that is atorvastatin. The following is true of simvastatin except it does not undergo first pass metabolism in liver. Select the most appropriate hypolipidemic drug for a patient with raised LDL cholesterol level but normal triglyceride level, that is a HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitor. Select the drug which reduces cholesterol synthesis in liver, increases expression of LDL receptors on hepatocytes and has been found to reduce mortality due to coronary artery disease, that is simvastatin. The rare but characteristic adverse effect of HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitors is myopathy. Features of atorvastatin include the following: dose to dose most potent HMG coenzyme reductase inhibitor, higher selling of LDL cholesterol lowering action than lovastatin, and it has antioxidant property. Select the hypocholesteromic drug which interferes with intestinal absorption of bile salts and cholesterol and secondarily increases cholesterol turnover in the liver, that is cholestyramine. Gemfibrozil has the following features except it lowers plasma LDL cholesterol to a greater extent than triglycerides. Anti-atherosclerotic effect of which class of hypolipidemic drug may involve additional mechanisms like improved endothelial function, reduced LDL oxidation, and anti-inflammatory property, that is statins. Select the hypolipidemic drug that enhances lipoprotein synthesis, fatty acid oxidation, and LDL receptor expression in liver through peroxisome proliferator activated receptor alpha, that is benzafibrate. A patient with coronary artery disease has raised serum triglyceride level but normal total cholesterol level. Which hypolipidemic drug should be prescribed? That is gemfibrozil. The following is true of benzafibrate except it increases the incidence of myopathy due to statins. Choose the correct statement about lovastatin. That it is a competitive inhibitor of the rate limiting step in cholesterol synthesis. Which of the following hypolipidemic drugs is most effective in raising HDL cholesterol level and lower serum triglycerides? That is nicotinic acid. What is true of nicotinic acid as well as nicotinamide? That both possess vitamin B3 activity. Pre-treatment with the following drug can be employed to reduce intolerable flushing, warmth, and itching caused by nicotinic acid when used for lowering plasma lipids, that is aspirin. Which hypolipidemic drug has been used to control and prevent pancreatitis in familial familiar hypertriglyceridemia, that is nicotinic acid. Select the first line hypolipidemic drug or drugs for treating hypertriglyceridemia in a patient or subject with normal cholesterol level, that is fibrates and nicotinic acid. Specific drug therapy to lower serum triglycerides in a subject with normal LDL cholesterol level is indicated in subjects with existing coronary artery disease and serum triglyceride greater than 150 mg per deciliter, and in subjects with HDL cholesterol less than 40 mg per deciliter and serum triglycerides above 150 mg per deciliter. In a 50-year-old male without any other coronary artery disease risk factor, hypocholesteromic drugs are considered necessary when the serum LDL cholesterol level is higher than 190 mg per deciliter. High molecular weight pharmacodynamically inert non-antigenic substance which form colloidal solution are used as plasma expanders. As a plasma expander, dextran has the following advantages except it does not interfere with grouping and cross-matching of blood. Hydroxyethyl starch is a plasma expander. Plasma expanders are used in the following conditions except congestive heart failure,